Finding friends on Pinterest. Up here underneath your menu you'll see here Find Friends. You can connect to Facebook or to Twitter. So if I click Find Twitter Friends, you will want to connect to my Twitter account and then ask for authorization. If I say yes, then it will go in and find my friends from Twitter, and I can then invite them to do things with me. So here, for example, is a friend. I can choose follow, and then I can see what that person posts on their Pinterest account regularly. And you can choose other areas that you might like to follow as well. Anyone who has a Pinterest account will show up here.